ISHI's the place to be. You have to come to ISHI if you're doing forensic DNA.
We love all the speakers, we love the vendors, and the poster presentations too.
There's just amazing keynote speakers that have been part of ISHI over the last 20-some years that I've been attending.
The content, the vendors, the food, the party, everything is great.
You really have a great opportunity to interact with the exhibitors and your colleagues from all over the world. And because it is an international conference, we really do get that, diversity of international colleagues coming. And it's always in a fun place.
It's a humbling conference to come to, too. I mean, to be able to talk to so many people who are pioneers of so many aspects of forensic science. It's just wonderful. I mean, where else could you do that?